Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone that are watching this video. I am Fatih Izzati from UiTM Shah Alam, a final year student in Bachelor of Science with Honours in Applied Chemistry. In this video, I will share with you about my thesis, which is the chemical constituents of Hopea pubescens. Hopea pubescens is known as merawan bunga, which is a medium-sized tree in family of Dipterocarpaceae. This tree plant family contains a wide range of chemical compounds, including terpenoids, flavonoids, aryl propanoids, and oligomer resveratrol. Research on the chemical constituents in Hopea pubescens should be carried out to find the chemical compounds that can be used as a potential cure. The objectives of this study are: number one, to isolate chemical constituents from stem bark of Hopea pubescens using several chromatography techniques such as thin layer chromatography, vacuum liquid chromatography, and column chromatography. Number two is to elucidate the isolated compounds using various spectroscopic techniques such as infrared, nuclear magnetic resonance, and ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. So how this is carried out? Here is the methodology. First, the stem bark of Hopea pubescens was collected at Kuala Keniam, Pahang in September 2020. The dried stem bark was weighed, cut into small pieces, and ground until powder form obtained. The powdered sample was macerated in acetone for 24 hours and repeated for 3 times. The acetone extract was filtered and evaporated using rotary evaporator under pressure condition until acetone crude extract is obtained. The acetone crude extract was further isolated to vacuum liquid chromatography using a solvent system of N-hexane and ethyl acetate to give 6 semi-purified fractions. So how VLC is prepared? The mass of the silica was weighed and placed into the column. The beaker is used to flatten the surface and vacuum is on to pack the column. Then filter paper was placed followed by the solvent. After that, dried sample was loaded and topped with filter paper, and the best solvent system was introduced and compound was collected based on band observed. Time to time, the color band on the column appeared and fractions were collected. So, from 6 fractions, only 1 fraction was further analyzed. Fraction HP3 was selected for further purification by column chromatography to gain a pure compound. Structural elucidation was performed with the aid of spectroscopic methods, including UV visible spectroscopy, infrared, and nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. So this is the spectrums that I have been obtained from the research. And by comparing the results obtained from the literature data, it is concluded that the pure compound is a ferulic acid. Ferulic acid was isolated from Ferula fotida to determine its structure, and its name was derived from the botanical name of the plant. Ferulic acid is commonly used as food preservative and in cosmetics. So long story short, that summarized my thesis for my last semester in UiTM Shah Alam. It is a memorable experience to be in this journey. Thank you to everyone for your time. See you again!